Hi guys, in India at a place called Kharar Bus Stand. Bus Stand, right? Yes. Yeah, Kharar Bus Stand. And today I cannot actually say I'm going to share with you chicken roll because it's online. But anyways, I want to show you what they call the chicken roll here in India. It's actually very great. But the problem is this guy that I'm going with actually chose to take chicken roll without spice. So I don't see the reason for him eating chicken roll because it's not chicken roll without spice. It's just bread. It's like bread. But I'm telling you guys, this is actually good here at a place called okay, it's just I don't know, but you know, I don't want to lie, it's something that is the best. Put spice. Yes. So this they are now. Yes, speak Hindi. मेरा नाम तेजो है. मेरा नाम तेजो है. वो नाम क्या है वो नाम? Mandeep Singh. So guys, I'm with him. So this is a gun, bro.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm actually making junior vlog. Yeah, it's good for you. Acha. Chicken. Yes, brother. One chicken egg. Sorry, Baji, we couldn't actually go back to our place with just the chicken roast. So actually looking for something else that we can actually go eating along the way. Very sure going home. Guys! Don't listen to him. Okay guys, this is the egg roll. Wow, I didn't know that it's so delicious. It's delicious guys, I don't want to lie. Egg roll, the best. Very delicious guys. Woo, spice. I would suggest that when you come to India, try chicken roll and egg roll. Okay guys, now eating the chicken roll. The best in India. Chicken roll. Woo! Guys, I don't want to lie. Maybe you think this is an expression for me to make a video. No, this is delicious. Delicioso. Delicioso. Okay, guys, I'm enjoying very much. If you want to test this, subscribe to my channel. I'm telling you, I'll bring it to you and you this is nice. This is delicious.